Hey traders, John Halley. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm so excited for today. Look at silver and gold. Bam, 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 bing, 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 bong, 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 bong. You guys excited? Anyway, let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based in this video. Trading is risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. If you were short silver and gold, you got your hand handed to you. If you bought some silver and gold, you did really well. If you stayed out, then congratulations, because you're waiting for the right time. Trading is risky, guys. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. This is not financial advice. I'm educating you to help you become a much better trader. Anyway, guys, let's get straight into the markets today. Let me give you a quick little round of updates in the markets. Let me make sure my software looks good as well too for you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Software looks good for you guys. All right, cool. First thing on the rank, Dow Jones. What's happening with the Dow Jones? It is moving higher, and we actually had a bit of a volume spike after the Fed raised its rates today. So do not buck the trend. Wait for the charts to start creating at least a lower low, lower high to say the market is going to start to come down. Same for the S&P 500. Do not fight the trend. As much as this is a bubble, and I know it's a bubble, and I know it's going to come down, don't fight the trend. Wait for the charts to tell you. And therefore, like for example, Nasdaq, right? Or we go back to the QQQ, right? The QQQ, what's happening with the QQQ? We're still getting that decrease in volume, so we still could be getting a break below this flow through. So if we start to rally back down, and we start to actually break below these levels through here, guess what's going to happen to QQQ? Then the market is telling us, guess what? Sellers are starting to come in. But until that happens, you'll be nuts to fight the trend. Do not fight the trend. I think Gann says that if you trade with the trend, you'll make a success. So stick with success for people like that. And also Charles Dow. What did Charles Dow say? He said this one here. Look at this here. Right? The price discounts everything. I don't care what you think. I don't care what I think. The price discounts everything. What's the last one here? A trend is assumed to be in effect until it gives a definite signal that it has reversed. Don't trade on hope and dreams. Trust me, guys. I've lost so much money, hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past by doing that shite. So let's get straight into it. That's actually the markets there. Have a quick look at silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Now, looking at silver right now, what's happening with silver? Let me blow this chart up here. And you can see I've got a lot of trend lines here. Look, you see what actually silver got down to my projection line and held it through here quite nicely. What's happened here with silver is that you actually got these levels through here, and this whole level through here is a main level. Now, if we did break below this level through here, which we did, and if we are going to start to rise up above this level, that is going to be a massive bear trap, a massive bear trap. We got a major support level through here, and we broke back down, we went sideways, and now rally back up. The test is coming right now. Do we continue rallying back up? If so, it's a massive bear trap. And now looking at, same with actually what's happened with gold as well too. You can see what's happened here with gold. Came down, got almost to my target, and then bam, thank you ma'am, had a little rally up today. But that little up move today doesn't mean anything in gold, because what's happened with gold right now, again, do not fight the trend. We're making a lower low, and now this could be another lower high here, and we still could rolling over. More sells on the daily chart are coming into gold and silver. I still see long term on my monthly charts that we're going to see a triple digit gain in the next couple of years. That's just what I see there. Moving on now, guys, to some of the other indexes, such as, let's actually go to the GDX here. Actually, you know what? Let's go to the GDXJ. So we'll see, we'll just go to the GDX here. So I'll show you what I see here on these charts. So moving forward, guys, what I see here overall, firstly, what do we have? We definitely have a big downward trend through here, okay? So don't fight the trend. Don't be trying to go long here and trying to pick bottoms, right? That's just risky. It's gambling, and it's not high probability. Doesn't matter. It's like, oh my goodness, this, John, you don't understand. Fed's going to raise rates and the dollar's going to crash. And I don't care what you think, right? Just trade what the charts are telling you. Don't think, just trade. Actually, sorry. Think about your trading plan, but don't think about it. Anyway, so you can see this market's come down towards these levels through here and held that level through there quite nicely. You can see on the short term, what's happened here? Oh, we've done what? We've actually had a major break below these last couple of support levels, and now we had a rally back up here. Now the question is, do we start the rally right back up? Do we start to get a rally that rallies back up to the top up here and get break above this high here? If so, trend has changed, bear trap confirmed, and then we'll see probably a new rise back above these highs up here. But until that happens, don't fight the trend. Do not fight the trend. Now, That's the GDX. Let's go have a look at the GDXJ, the junior miners here. And I do with the exact same thing. Let me delete everything off the screen here. And as you can see, the exact same thing with the GDX. Again, what do we have here? We had we actually had a major break below all these support levels through here. We had a major break below, and now it looks like we're trying to break back above. So again, guys, if we can continue this here, now remember, where was the last high? The last high was up here. So we need to see, I would say, I want to see a nice close above here. So I would want to see the market. I'd want to see the market close and get a rally back up. Here. So from there, that's where we can actually start to see some upward movement. If that happens, you had all this. Look at all that support level through there. All those support levels through there. If that happens, bear trap confirmed and a big gold and silver rally. Here we come. So anyway, guys, there's a quick little update for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed that Bitcoin Jordan Belfort video yesterday, guys. All I'm saying in the markets right now, guys, trading is not about getting in the next big bubble. Trading is not about long-term sustainable probability. In trading is not jumping on the next biggest thing. No, trading is about having a high probability trading plan that is very simple, that's not confusing, and then you know you have that edge, and you know 8 times or even 7 times out of 10 you're going to do that well. And your job is to take that every single time, regardless of what the outcome is. And if you take that trade every single time, you know over 20 trades, you're going to get 7 out of right, or even 6 out of right. And if you're good with your money management, you'll do really well in the markets. That's what trading is all about. Trading is not about jumping on the next big bubble or fearing you're going to miss out. Because if people are getting in right now, people are mortgaging their house right now to get in Bitcoin. Just have a simple trading plan, a simple trading edge to start moving forward. So there we go, guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time.